Use a query. What are the sure signs that he or she will eventually regret breaking up with you? Response. The psychology of regret and the blackout phase. Identifying the signs of impending regret. To understand if someone will regret a breakup, you must look at how they react to your silence and your emotional stability. According to the principles of the blackout phase, regret is not something you force, it is something you force. It is something you trigger by maintaining your dignity and independence. Step by step, how to trigger regret using the blackout phase. First, accept with dignity. When a breakup or major conflict occurs, do not beg or argue. Respond with, I understand. If that's what you feel right now, I respect your decision. This prevents you from looking desperate. Second, enter the blackout phase. Stop initiating contact. Do not send long emotional messages. Focus entirely on your own personal growth. This creates a vacuum where the lack of your presence becomes a heavy weight. Third, watch for tests, which are low investment actions. If they reach out with low effort messages like, hey, or a random meme, they're testing if you are still able to be certain or if you're still there. For example, if they send a simple, what are you doing? Respond with calm brevity, such as, just been busy with some things, rather than a long paragraph. This makes them wonder why your energy has shifted. Fourth, identify genuine effort, which is the sign of regret. If they transition from simple tests to vulnerable reconnection attempts, regret has set in. For example, they might say, I've been thinking about us, or I miss talking to you. This is a clear sign they are actively trying to rebuild the connection because your silence forced them to face the loss. The biggest mistake regarding breakups. The biggest mistake people make during a breakup or conflict, known as the blackout phase, is chasing. When someone pulls away, the natural instinct is to increase your effort, sending more messages, asking for reassurance, and trying to convince them to stay. Why this fails, chasing or begging actually reduces attraction further. It makes you appear emotionally unstable and able to live without them. By chasing, you give them the comfort of knowing they have total control, which prevents them from ever feeling the void or the need to miss you. Personal advice for navigating regret. Do not make your happiness a hostage to their presence. The moment you become truly okay with losing them, you become ungettable. Focus on your own life so that when they do return, you aren't returning to a place of neediness, but a place of strength. One key truth: people do not regret losing someone who is constantly chasing them. They regret losing someone who is valuable and able to walk away with dignity. The golden rule. If they pull away, you must step back, not lean in. The formula for regret, silence plus self-respect, divided by their lack of effort, equals curiosity and regret. Thank you for using the ultimate edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model.